Do you have this dry cough that you just can't get rid of and it feels like there's a dust ball stuck in your throat? In Chinese medicine, your throat is a part of your lung system. The dry cough and scratchy feeling in the throat means there's too much dryness in your lung system. This could come from dry weather, staying up late, or being around perimenopause or menopausal age. You may also get dry skin, dry nose, and dry eyes. If this is you, make sure to drink more water, limit alcohol, and start eating steamed Asian pears. If you have this problem and you want to know more about how to fix it, I've created a Chinese medicine healing bundle helping you understand the root cause of your health issues and heal naturally. I have an entire chapter on how to spot the common imbalances in 12 of your organ systems and how to reverse these imbalances naturally. Just comment below bundle, I'll send you the link.